Idan, how long do you typically let your dough rise before you start shaping it?
1 hour. 1 hour, that's enough, until it doubles the size. I mean, it also depends very much the weather. If it's a cold day, that might need just a bit more time. Sometimes when it's really hot, that can even be ready after like 14 minutes. I know you can't see my head, but you actually need to see only my surface. I'm gonna split and make, first of all, 30 pieces, 30 balls, because I know already what I'm going to show you. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. I'm going to cover it here on side with the plastic bag because I don't want the dough will get dry. So the first thing I want to show you is how to braid a beautiful, beautiful heart. To braid the heart, I'm going to roll the dough in a way that one side is more fat than the other. You can see that? And then I actually got shape like that. And I will need 8 pieces like that. Now, if you want to be very precise with the size and make it look like very even and beautiful, you can use the kitchen scale and scale each piece. And actually these 2 hearts I will make from very traditional 4-strand challah. And this 4-strand challah all the time reminds me Israel. I all the time say that because I miss Israel so much. Okay, so I have 8 strands, and I'm going to make 2 challah from 8 strands. And as I said before, as you see, one side is more fat and the other is more skinny. So, now you can also take a piece of paper and a pencil and just write the mantra. I will provide you a mantra, each braiding as a mantra, and you can do that way. The second one, up. The first one here to the middle. The second, up. The first to the middle. The second, up. The first to the middle. Second, up. First to the middle. Second, up. First to the middle. Second, first. Second, first. Second, first. Second, first. Second, first. And you can cut the rest. And you can see the beautiful, beautiful shape that I got here. Very thick from the top and very skinny from the bottom. And I'm doing the same to the other. And you can really play with the size. You can make a huge hard challah from 1 kilo flour. You can make very small, like buns. So the second one up, the first to the middle, the second up, first to the middle, second, first, second, first. First, second, first. And now what you can do, you really want, before you put it in the oven, you really want to define the shape, because remember, in the oven that get big and the shape kind got lost. So you really want to make sure that you put a heart in the oven and also take heart from the oven. So this is one shape. Second shape I want to show you is from 7 strands. And now what I'm doing is I'm rolling that way that it's actually going to be fat in the middle and skinny on the sides. Yes, I don't give that much pressure in the middle.
It makes it look so easy.
I want to get the strand that way. Hot.
Easy, really?
Mm-hmm.
Now sometimes I have like air bubbles here, so you just smash that and continue to roll.
He told me he built this kitchen himself. I said my husband came and changed the light bulb.
Well,
You heard me.
you record.
All right.
שלוש. ארבע, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 7. And now
Mom, check what it is.
you're gonna split it like for
Can you stop recording?
4 strands and 3 strands. And this one is very repetitive. You don't need to remember a lot. You just need to lift. Start with the 4 strands here. Lift the 2 strands from inside and take the first one and put it under to the other side. Lift the 2 strands here, put it to the other side, that way. Okay? Then what I'm actually got here is 4 strands here and 3 strands here. So I'm actually doing the same. Lifting the 2 from wait, I got confused a bit. That can happen when you Okay, and then I do this. Oh, guys, I got. Okay, I have better idea. Let's do the A strand, and I will back to that.
Is that Grayson?
Yeah, I guess.
Look like him.
Huh?
Doesn't look
Okay. Okay, so 8 strands, I have 5 from that side, 5 from that side, and 3 from that side. They got stick a bit. Now, you always work with the third and the second and the first, the third and the second. And what you actually do is lifting the third one, and the second goes to the other side. And then the first comes to
It's
the
like an
middle.
octopus.
I will direct the camera to the other side. Now, what I'm get here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from that side and 3 in that side. So what I want to do again is the third one from here, I'm going to lift and put the second one to the other side. And then
third.
the first to the middle. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The third one, I'm going to lift, and the second one go to the other side up, and the first one to the middle. The third one, lift, second up, the first one to the middle, third, 1, 2, 3, lifted, up, and the first to the middle, the third, 1, 2, 3, third, up, second, and first to the middle, got confused again, just a second, Okay, the third one. I leave the third one. It's super hard when you need to explain it. So, the third one, lift the second up, the first to the middle, the third up, second,
Over. First one to the
go
middle.
to the other side and to the middle.
Third one
The
up.
third up, tuck into the middle. You can already start to see what we gonna get there. Okay. And the third. Now, when it got shorter here, don't get confused. It's still the first. Third up, first to the middle. Third, second, first to the middle. Third up, second, go to the other side, and the first to the middle. know some people when that's left, they just cut it, but don't give up. Yeah, just breathe. Don't forget to breathe. It's very important, and just continue. 1, 2, 3. The third up, second, and no. Yes. And the third up, second, and the first to the middle. Yeah, I got. That's really confusing. You see? Just cut it. Just pinch it. Make sure it's sticky.
Idan, I know you. It's hard to talk and to do this at the same time. It is coming across. I mean, for me, very clear. You're doing an awesome job. So no worries.
Yeah, no, I know. Yeah, that happened. It's like when I was a dancer and I was falling on the stage in front of everybody. So that happened. I know that.
But it looks perfect. It's beautiful. Now we just need you to come to our house and to do it for us.
Yeah. So this is the 8th strand. You can see that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is beautiful.
And it's not like the regular traditional 8 strands, because we give it kind of another look here on the side.
Mm-hmm. It's like 3-dimensional.
Yes, exactly. And we're gonna go back to the 7th strand in a second. Before that, I want to show you